In today's video, I am going to teach you how to leverage Notebooklm for YouTube videos. The goal here is to quickly turn your research materials into a clean, useful video summary that you can build your script around. As you follow along, make sure you already have the documents or links you want to reference, because Notebooklm works best when your sources are clear and relevant to your topic. Start by opening Notebooklm in your browser. Once you are on the main page, look for the option to create a fresh notebook. Click the plus icon, then select Create New. This gives you a dedicated space for one video idea, which helps keep your sources and outputs organized and easy to return to later. Next, you will add your research. A sources pop-up will appear, and this is where you can upload files or paste links. Upload any documents you have, like notes, transcripts, outlines, or articles you have saved. If your content lives online, paste the links directly into this same sources window. Try to stick to sources that match the exact angle of your video, because the overview you generate will reflect what you provide here. Once everything is added, take a moment to confirm your sources are loaded, since missing or incomplete sources can lead to a weaker result. Now move to the right side of the screen and navigate to the Studio panel. This is where Notebooklm turns your sources into structured outputs you can actually use for content creation. Inside the Studio panel, click Video Overview. This option is designed to summarize your sources with a format that is more suitable for video planning, so it can help you get a strong starting point without having to reread everything. Finally, click Generate. Give it a few seconds to process, especially if you included multiple files or longer documents. When the video overview appears, read through it carefully and check that it matches the message you want to deliver. If you notice anything that feels off, it usually means one of your sources is not aligned, so keep your inputs focused the next time you generate. That covers everything you need to know.